Hello, my name is Kenneth Hawthorn. I'm the author of a book called Super Arduino. I'm also an educator out here in Austin, Texas, working both with students and teachers who are new to STEM learning and education. I'm here today to give you my thoughts on the Man Labs step-by-step electronics kit, which I have just gone through the professional development for teachers and was very impressed both with the professional development and the actual physical kit itself. So I have here, I'm going to pull out the curriculum of this box. It slides out like this. Probably the nicest, most well-produced set of books I've seen for any curriculum. This starts out very, very basic with resistors and multimeters and how they work, and you end up with transistors and signals. And so this is something where you could very easily teach a middle high school physics class, but you can also start this, at least in my case, feel comfortable with this in students who are in 3rd and 4th and 5th grade going through part of that curriculum. The main thing as a teacher is I want other teachers to know that this really is something that you can pick up with no experience. It's very well documented, and if you want to learn something about electronics, you kind of knock that fear out of you. This is probably the best kit to do it that I've found. There's just an amazing value there. The kit comes with all the electronic components and tools that you would need. It's a little hard to show on camera. The books are down there, and then the whole kit, it's a beautiful piece of cardboard, opens up into a toolbox. I don't know if you can see all that. And there's drawers in here. And there's a very cool, besides all the parts, one of the coolest things I cannot get over still is his breadboard carry case, which here's the last project I was working on in here. But you can actually, when you're working on electronics, you tend to use this thing called a breadboard, and then you put parts into it to make different kinds of electrical connections. And so this breadboard wraps up into a case that has some elastic on it and snaps into place so you can actually carry it with you, and that slips into the back of the case back here and closes up. So just a very well thought out kit overall. Very happy with the curriculum, happy with the PD. Feel free to contact me if you have any other questions. I'm happy to vouch for the program. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.